Hawker Sea Fury. This was the ultimate development in the line of Hawker fighters piston engine that came from the Hawker Hurricane, and I suppose between the wars the Hawker Demon and Hawker Heart. This is actually a lightweight fighter compared to the Hawker Tempest. What they were trying to do was to get something that was really fast. So they took away the center section of the Tempest. Used the same outer wings. And in that form it was actually known as the Tempest Light Fighter. Had a variety of different engines, but the radial engine fitted was the Bristol Centaurus, 18-cylinder radial engine, probably the ultimate development of sleeve valve radials ever produced. If you don't know what a sleeve valve is, you know the normal poppet valves that you've got in your car engine? This is actually a cylinder inside the cylinder that rotates up and down and opens up the exhaust ports. You can see the vortexes that have been produced by the wingtips actually turning all of that wingtip smoke into little ringlets. This was supposed to be the ultimate fighter for the RAF and the Royal Navy, but the war finished very quickly. Orders for most of the Furies were cancelled, but they continued with the Sea Fury. About 864 of these built in total. Centaurus radial, about 2,500 horsepower in 18 cylinders, and owed a lot of the design of the engine and the forward part of the airframe to the Focke-Wulf 190. One of which was placed into British hands when the pilot landed in the UK, thinking it was Belgium. Engine had a lot of teething problems to start off with, and it wasn't until September 1946 that the first production Sea Fury flew, and that was with a 4-bladed prop. They modified the engine mounts, put a 5-bladed Rotol prop on, and that's what you are looking at basically now. This aircraft has been modified. The Centaurus has been removed, and it is now fitted with the engine from a Douglas Sky Raider and the propeller from the same aircraft. We had 4 squadrons of Sea Furies, front line, and 1 training squadron, and they went in to serve in Korea on the HMAS Sydney as part of the United Nations forces. The Sea Furies and Fireflies of the Sydney were used to attack mainland targets in Korea, and did so with great success. Original aircraft fitted with 4 20mm cannons. It could carry up to 16 3-inch diameter rockets, which had a 60-pound warhead. And it could also carry 2 1,000-pound bombs or